What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Team Corally Shogun 6S. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna run it on this new pretty body here. I put my Power Hobby Scorpion tires on here. Also, this is a Proline body. I don't know the part number, but it's kind of like a race body to me. It was used, a used body, ain't got no scratches on it at all. The person installed LED lights in the front, white, but of course I got my own. I'm gonna let you check out them lights real quick. Me personally, this body look mean as hell on here. This thing look nice. Hopefully it ride as good as it look. Yeah, I like this joint. I hope this worked out right. Well, you see that tire wobble? Oh my goodness, I ain't expected to willy. Not thinking with Willie. I just like the look of this. It's so mean. It's definitely nice and planted with these tires on here. Very stable with these tires. That tire is wobbly. See, these tires ain't got no push to it though. That's what you gotta remember. Like, these tires are not made for jumping. I lost my tire. I don't see how. Hopefully it'll be easy to find that lug. Yeah, what I did was didn't tighten the lugs again. Thought I did. Let's try this again. That's a lesson. Remember to check all lugs and wires before you go out and run. Something I tend to forget. Whoa, these tires, this car's all over the place with these tires. Yeah, it's not soaking up these rocks like that. Whoa. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna try to jump with these tires on there. These tires not too good off-road. They gripped pretty good though, but uh-oh, what's that noise? Oh, look like something broke on her. Oh my goodness, the shock, really? Yeah, the shock end came off. I don't know if it unscrewed, broke off. I just know it's not on there no more. It's on the car, so I didn't lose it, but let me throw that back on real quick. Be right back. Back together. These tires is really, I mean, they don't have enough. It's vibrating stuff off, and shock head came off, unscrewed, I guess. And I believe it made the lugs come loose. Look at that suspension. I mean, it do keep it stable though, I ain't gonna lie. These tires are nice and stable. They get so hard. I think they hold up better in grass. Because you know, grass is nice and soft. And the shock head cable, I know that thing didn't come off again. Let's see what that was. It came off again. It must be stripped out. That's all it is. But yeah, I mean, the tires aren't bad. It's good for really grassy areas, not for loose gravel. It hook up on road pretty good. But tell me what y'all think of this body and this setup I got here. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. This is Phillyswords RC. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.